Welcome to this in-depth review of ExchangeX, your ultimate cryptocurrency exchange for secure and seamless trading. In this video, we will dive into the details of what makes ExchangeX stand out in the competitive world of crypto trading platforms. From its intuitive interface to its advanced security protocols, you will see why ExchangeX has become a preferred choice for both beginners and seasoned traders. When you first log into ExchangeX, you're greeted by a clean and user-friendly dashboard. The layout is intuitive, making navigation straightforward whether you're looking to trade, deposit funds, or explore various tools. Supported cryptocurrencies include a wide range of popular and emerging tokens, giving users ample choices to diversify their portfolios. The trading tools are robust, catering to all levels with options for spot trading, margin trading, and even staking. One of the standout features of ExchangeX is its focus on security. With advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and cold storage for most assets, you can trade with confidence knowing your investments are well protected. The platform also has a transparent fee structure, making it easy to calculate costs without hidden surprises. Additionally, it provides 24/7 customer support to assist users with any concerns. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. ExchangeX doesn't just focus on trading. It also offers educational resources to help users understand the crypto market better. From beginner guides to advanced trading strategies, the platform ensures that everyone can enhance their knowledge. The mobile app mirrors the web version in functionality, so you can manage your trades on the go with ease. For those interested in staking, ExchangeX allows users to earn rewards on select cryptocurrencies. This feature is seamlessly integrated, and rewards are distributed regularly, making it an excellent option for long-term holders looking to maximize their investments. ExchangeX also prioritizes compliance with regulations, ensuring that your trades are conducted in a secure and legal environment. With its efficient transaction processing and reliable performance, you can focus on trading without interruptions. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video for more detailed reviews and crypto tips.